Hey everybody, welcome back to Mrs.E's Chickadees. I missed you over family time. Did you have a good weekend? I hope so. What did you do? Tell me. Uh-huh. Oh, that sounds fun. Did you go outside? It was sunny where I live, and look at, do you see that I got a little sunburn on my face? I'm so happy. I was so happy to be out in the sun. Were you happy to go out in the sun this weekend? I hope so. Well, welcome back. I'm happy that you're here today. We're going to have a great week together of learning. Today is Monday, May 18th, and we have so many fun things to do today. But what do we have to do first? Do you remember? Stand up for the pledge. You got it. I'm going to get my own body ready. Are you ready? Here we go. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Nice job. Have a seaty seat, friends. Welcome back to Mrs.E's Chickadees. As I said, today is Monday, May 18th, and I'm really happy that you're here. Take a look over here, friendies. How many letters do we have today? Normally we do 1, but this week we have 2. That's because you're so smart, and you're ready for 2 letters, and we are almost done with our letters. Our first letter this week is the letter W. Put up your 3 fingers. Does that look like a W? 5 W sounds for W. Ready? W, 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 wagon, and W, W, watermelon. I love watermelon. The next letter is X, and this is our sign for X. It's almost like a pirate hook. Arr. Got it up? Now, X is tricky, friendies, because there aren't very many words that start with the letter X, and if they do, they almost sound like Z. That's silly. So the letter X says X, and I couldn't find my pictures, so I had to use puzzle pieces. That's okay, no problem. So I picked fox. Do you hear it at the end? And the number 6. Do you hear it at the end? Here we go. 5 X. X sounds. Ready? X, 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 X. Nice job. We're going to talk about the letter W and the letter X, but we're still talking about the season of, what season are we in right now? Starts with letter S. It's not summer. Did you say spring? Nice job. You're right. We are in the season of spring. So we are talking about all things spring for this week and next week. So I have a book. Where'd my book go? Here it is. I have a book that's all about the season of spring. Come closer. Let's look at the title of my book. Here it is. What is, there's our R word. What is rain? And I see, what's this here? What's that called? Yeah, it's a question mark. So that's a question. What is rain? Do you know what rain is? Tell me what you know about rain. Oh, you already know some things about rain. Well, let's see. We're going to learn some more about rain. The author, that's the person that wrote my book. Nice job. Is called Alan Trussell Cullen. Let's say thank you to Alan. Thank you, Alan. And there's no illustrator because this book is, you clap with me, nonfiction. 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 Nonfiction is real facts learning. So there's photographs in here. Let's check it out. Here it is again. What is rain? Remember, this is our title page where we see the name of our book again. Let's count the words in our title. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. There's 3 words. That's a short title. What is rain? Ooh, this is called a table of contents. That's where we can see what information is in our book and what the page number I can find it on. You'll use that when you're a little older. Ooh, friendies. Everyone's holding umbrellas. It's raining. Do you use an umbrella when it rains? I do. I have an umbrella game that we're going to play later. Rain is water that falls in drops from the sky. Sometimes rain is light. We call this a shower. Let's make a light rain shower with our hands, right? Light. Hear it a little bit. It's gentle. Watch what happens now. Sometimes the rain is heavy. We call this a rainstorm. Okay, are you ready? It's loud, it's noisy. Sometimes rainstorms can be noisy, huh? Yeah. Ooh, look at this. This looks interesting. That doesn't look like regular rain. Let's see what it is. Sometimes raindrops freeze and become pieces of ice. Oh, that makes sense. That does look like ice. Look, here's a smaller picture. You can see it close. We call this hail. You say. Hail. What's the word that rhymes with hail? Hail, mail. Hail, mail. Hail, mail. Did you ever see hail? Sometimes in winter we get hail. It's like small balls of ice, little tiny balls of ice. Ooh, what are these friends doing? Take a look. What do you think? Let's make a prediction. Prediction. Let's see what they're doing. What do you think? Let's see if you're right. How much rain fell on our playground this week? Ooh, we measured the rain that fell on our playground this week. Maybe you can do that when you go back to school. Take a look. Did they get the same amount of rain every day? Nope. No rain today. Some rain today. Lots of rain today. More rain today. No more rain. We should do that when we go back to school. That sounds fun. Oh my Lord. Look at that. Lots of rain falls in some parts of the world. It usually rains every day in a tropical rainforest. Those plants need lots of rain, friendies. Ooh, now what type of habitat is that? Do you know? Starts with the letter D. Desert. You're right. Nice job. In other parts of the world, very little rain falls. Rain hardly ever falls in a desert. Oh, look at. Plants need rain to grow. Oh, friendies, we know this already. We've been talking about this. What do plants need to grow again? 3 things. Sunlight. Water. And they need some good dirt to grow. Soil. They need air too. People need rain too. We need rain to give us water for washing. What else do we need rain for, humans? We need it to wash. We also need it to... We need rain to give us water for cooking. And we need rain to give us water for... Yep, you're right, drinking. Ooh, these friends made our word wall about rain. We collected words that have something to do with rain, and we made a word wall about rain. Look at, they made little raindrops. Let's read 5 rain words together. Ready? Puddle, drops, splash, drizzle, drenched. And here's a picture glossary. That's a word and a picture that tells what it means. What's this one again? Desert. Nice job. What are these little balls of ice called? It starts with the letter H. Rhymes with mail. Hail. Nice job. This is ice. And rain. Give yourself a pat on the back. Really nice job. So, friendies, we have a lot to do today. I'm going to zoom you back out. And let's do our song about spring. You remember this one from last week. Ready? The rain is falling down and drops, drip, drop, drip, drop. The rain is falling down and drops, drip, drop, drip, drop. The rain is falling down and drops. We can't go play until it stops. Oh, the rain is falling down to the ground where it makes lots of mud. Squish, 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 squish. Nice job. Let's make a W of applause. Are you ready? Where do we start our letters at the top? Big line down, stop. Big line up, stop. Big line down, stop. Big line up, stop. Count me down, friendies. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you so much. Alrighty. Oh, here it is. Since we're talking about the letter W, I pulled out my wand. I have another wand. Maybe I'll use that tomorrow. Here we go, friendies. Today is May. What's a 1 and an 8 together again? Let me bring you guys a little closer. There we go. What's a 1 and an 8 together again? 18. Nice job. And we are still in the month of 2020. Friendies, can we count to 18? Get your body ready. Crisscross. Hands in lap. I'm going to give you a wibbity wobbity woo. You look good. Wibbity wobbity woo. Here we go. 1, you do. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Nice job. Nice job. Put your pound goggles on. Open them up. Let's see what kind of pattern. I started a new pattern. Are you ready to see it? Here we go. Let's do our old pattern first. Easy. You say red, orange, green. Red, orange, green. Red, orange. What was supposed to come next? Green. You're right, but I started a new pattern. Let's see what it is. Ready? Blue, yellow. What do you think it will be tomorrow? Make a prediction. What color? Let's see if you're right. I'm not going to spin my spinner today. What's the weather like where you are? It's a little cloudy, and it's a little rainy. It's a little gloomy where I am. What's it like where you are? Okay, maybe it'll be sunny tomorrow. I hope so. Fingers crossed. Sunny tomorrow. Let's see what day of the week it is today. Ooh, I forgot to slip that back. Is it Sunday? Family time. Every time. That was yesterday. Is it Monday? It's Monday. Yes, it's Monday, and we're back together for 5 days of fun learning. Woohoo! I got new rhymes over there. Can you see them? Let me turn them so you can see. There they are. Ready? You do. Ring, king. Ring, king. One more. Ring, king. What rhymes with ring and king? Do you know? How about king? That's kind of a funny word. Nice job, Reddies. Okay, I have a little game for us to play. Every day we're going to play this game. Remember before when we played my game with the pink egg and I said, I've got an egg. What's inside? It's kind of like that. But it's not Easter time anymore. It's springtime. So I have my Lucy the Ladybug. And this is a game all about the things we do in spring. Should we pull out 2 things? See what they are? Okay, I'm closing my eyes. 1, 2. Let's see. What do we do in spring? Ooh, these words say go fishing. Are you ready? Let's go fishing. This is the way we go fishing in spring, fishing in spring, fishing in spring. This is the way we go fishing in spring, all spring long. Ooh, good one. Let's see what else we do in spring. You ready? This says build birdhouses because the birdies are out. Let's build a birdhouse. You ready? This is the way we build birdhouses in spring. Birdhouses in spring. Hammer it. Birdhouses in spring. This is the way we build birdhouses in spring, all spring long. Thank you so much. Really, really nice job. So, friendies, I have some things to share with you today. Remember last week we talked about my experiment with my celery stalks? This is red. Oh, look at what happened to the leaves. My celery stalk, they did turn red. This is kind of like how plants are. Plants suck water up through their stem and they feed their leaves, just like this red water has gone all the way up through my celery stalk. Now, my purple and my blue didn't come out as good, but I'll show you. That's supposed to be purple. Not that good, right? Not that good. Well, I have another science experiment for you today, and it's all about rain and clouds, okay? So, grown-ups, super easy. 3/4 of whatever you have, whatever size you have. And let me just move this for a second. Count me down, friendies. 5. Ooh, we might need 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Every time I use food coloring, I get it all over me. So I put some gloves on today. So we're going to make our own cloud and see if we can see rain coming out, just like what happens in the sky. 3/4 full of water. And then do the other quarter full of shaving cream, grown-ups. See, I got a little messy, friendies. Doesn't that look like a cloud? Then you're going to take blue food coloring and add it with a little water. Let's see what happens. Are you ready? Here's my blue food coloring. And I'm going to pour it in. Let's see. Oh, it's dripping a little bit. Do you see it, friendies? It's going through. Oh, there it goes. It's going through the shaving cream and dripping down. Look at that. Can you see it? That's kind of like what happens with raindrops. Clouds get full of raindrops, and the raindrops get so heavy that they have to drop all the way down. Try that one at home, friendies. That's a really nice one. Count me down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here's my next craft. We know that raindrops come from clouds when they get too heavy. So let's practice writing our letters, shall we? This says Louisa. Let's count count the numbers, or excuse me, the letters in Luisa's name. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's say those letters. L, say with me, O-U-I-S-A. And look at that. Then I made raindrops of each letter. There are 6 letters, so guess how many raindrops we should have? 6 raindrops. Okay, grown-ups, that's a little fun one for them to do. Quick little tip on the cutting. Grown-ups, draw the cloud for them. Steering finger out front, make sure the thumb stays up. If they're turning like this, straighten them out. If they're craning when they're cutting on a curve, remind them that they turn the paper, not their hand. Okay, that's a little cutting tip for you. Really nice job today, friendies. I have missed you. Quick pick-me-up for the grown-ups. Heroes are ordinary people who make themselves extraordinary. Isn't that happening? Heal the past, live the present, dream the future. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on a thing. Positive affirmations, everybody. Here we go. I am brave. You say, I am kind. I am smart. I am strong. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you tomorrow on Mrs.E Chickadees, where every little chickadee is part of my flock. Have a fabulous day.